Good morning, everyone. This is Isacc Moran with Intero Real Estate Services, and today on Isaac Interviews is Market Monday, and I'm with my co-host Martin Llanos. Martin, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so today's episode is going to be about the FHA loan and why possibly it may be the best loan for first-time home buyers. So, Martin, what is the FHA loan?
So an FHA loan is a loan that's insured by the federal government, the Federal Housing Administration, and it's a loan that is catered towards buyers that don't have a very large down payment.
Okay.
So only need 3.5% down.
All right, understood. So with that, what would be the qualifications for applying for the FHA loan?
So the basic qualifications are a 2-year work history, verifiable income, proof of down payment, 3.5% down, which can come from a gift from family, and acceptable credit history.
Okay, understood. And what would be a situation in which you wouldn't want to use an FHA loan?
So you wouldn't want an FHA loan if, say, you had a large down payment, 20% down, or even less than 20% down, but you had really high FICO scores. You may be better served with a conventional type loan. And that's where I sit down with you and go over all your documentation, all your income, credit history, and all that, and see which loan program is going to fit you best.
Of course, and that makes 100% sense. So with the FHA loan, can it be used for property types other than single-family residences?
Absolutely. So you can actually go up to 4 units.
Okay.
So let's say you found a 2-unit or even a 4-unit complex that you're interested in. As long as you occupy one of the units, you may be able to buy that property with an FHA loan with only 3.5% down.
Wow. So
And we can also use the rent from those other units to help you qualify.
Yeah, wow. So that's definitely an investment opportunity, guys, and possibly a strategy that both Martin and I can help you with. So is there a limit on how much you could borrow with this type of loan?
There is, and it's county by county. In the Inland Empire, that's San Bernardino and Riverside counties, the loan limit for a single family dwelling is $405,950.
Oh, okay. So with that $405,950, let's do an example. We'll just round it off at $400,000. What would be a rough idea of someone's payment with the loan value of $400,000?
So on a $400,000 purchase price, 3.5% down, you're going to be looking at about $2,800 a month.
$2,800 a month.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's all in taxes, insurance, mortgage insurance.
Of course. And then now more of the medium price here in the high desert is going to probably be around $240,000.
Correct.
What would the payment be with something around that? Rough idea.
So at $240,000, you're looking at somewhere around $1,700 a month.
$1,700.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds great. So that was super helpful and some awesome information, Martin. Thank you for that. And before we go, I wanted to give you guys a local market update. So currently, the average days on market for a home being sold here in the high desert is 51 days, according to Claris Metrics. The latest figures of median selling price in the high desert is $252,000. So with the same time last year, May 2017, compared to May 2018, in May 2017, the value was $231,000. So that's an increase of $21,000. And that's only last year. That's a 9% jump in the median home sold price. And then compared with just last month even, there was an increase of 3% or $7,000. So obviously time is a factor when it comes to real estate. So like Martin said, interest rates continue to rise. If you're considering buying, definitely give Martin a call, speak with him, and see if we can make that dream come true. And then if you want your home sold, property values continue to rise, and it is a hot market right now as it is the summertime. So, give me a call. We would love to help you accomplish that. But that concludes the market update. Martin, if people wanted to reach out to you and get to know you or talk about a loan, where would they reach you?
Yeah, you can reach me directly at 760-961-4160. You can also reach me on my Facebook page at Martin Home Loans. The information will also be down below in the video. If you have any questions, give me a call, and I can see what I can do to help you guys out.
All right, you guys, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. And if you did, it would really help me out if you liked and subscribed, share the video, And if you would like to contact me, you can find me on social media at Isacc Interviews, ISACC, or give me a call at 760-792-7251. I'll see you next week on Market Monday.